Hello, Mustang Maniacs. It's Rick Star Gonzalez with Dusty Tales, and here's another how-to video. Today we're gonna install spark plugs. We're gonna gap them, prep them, and install them. The spark plug gap for a 2009 Ford Mustang 4.0 is between 0.02 and 0.06 inches. So that'd be somewhere around here. That's about 0.55 inches right there. Now that I gapped all 6 of these, now we're gonna look at the spark plug sockets. I remember back in the past there were only 2 types. There was this size, which is a 13/16. Look how big that is. And of course a 3/8. Here's a newer one. I don't know why I bought another one. Now when you're gonna do your spark plugs, sometimes this isn't the size, but they look like strike. Now that I fished these from under the car, so you have regular sockets and you have spark plug sockets. Now if you look at it, see how they're designed differently? But most importantly, spark plug sockets have a magnet inside. And that's because you want to keep the spark plug, once you take it out, you're able to pull it out with the magnet. If you use something like this, then that spark plug will fall back in the hole and you'll have a hard time getting that out. That being said, let's take these out. So on these Mustangs, the spark plugs are way down here. There's plenty of room. There, and there. On bigger vehicles, like say trucks, sometimes the spark plug's way under the well, but this looks pretty easy to get to. Maybe a little more difficult here behind the battery. They're right there. I always like starting with the ones behind because they're harder. Typically, if you want to do any job, do the hardest part first and work your way to the easier one. So do the hard part, always do the hard part first. So I got the spark plug in there. Kind of hard to get in there. What you want to do is get a good wrench. Like this one, it's kind of old. And it takes longer to get out because I can only use so many teeth on the ratchet. You want to get a better wrench, but I'm taking that one out. It's kind of hard to show you with one hand, but I've loosened it a little. But that's how you do it. Okay, I got the spark plug out. I don't think these have ever been changed out before. I mean, you look at it, but if these are the original ones, these are like 15 years old. They're Motorcraft, so chances are they've never been changed out before. Look at that, how it's rounded. Look at a new one. So they do wear out. See how that's not rounded? It's kind of squared. If you look at these 2 spark plugs, look how difference in gap. This gap is far bigger, and this is what the recommended gap is. If you look at the little electrode in there, it's all worn out and kind of rounded compared to the new one. These are the same brand. That this spark plug has never been changed out before. This is the first time it's getting a major tune-up. So I just wanted to show you the difference. Now it looks like this spark plug is burning pretty good. It doesn't look like like it's got too much fuel, or it's burning. It's not burning too rich, and it's not burning too lean. When it's lean, it's got like a white frosty cover on it. When it's too lean, it looks real like oily on it. When it's running rich, it looks oily. When it's running lean, it looks frosty. This looks like it's been burning okay, but not efficiently. So this should improve your gas mileage. Okay, I got all the spark plugs in. All right, go ahead and start it. Okay, there's no misfire. It seems pretty smooth. I think we're done. If you like this content, punch that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and as always, keep the rubber down and God bless you.